naman sa Subic ngayon muna tayo pupunta rito na.
Slight right, then turn right.
Kasi ito,
Turn right.
muna talaga. Isipin mo, wala ko ang dati to, no? Ganito pa rin.
600 meters, turn left.
Siya?
Camera.
Alright, now time to go back, Harry. Come on. There you go. Alright, for the next one, Harry. And for the next one. There you have it. Everybody, let's give a round of applause for Harry. Okay, now let me share with you how we train our animals here in the park. Training describes the many ways to look after their physical and mental well-being. We use the system called positive reinforcement training. So, whenever animals do a certain behavior that we want them to do, we give them anything they like. He's trying to save this money for his enrichment. Now, everybody think about this, especially for the kids. If you want to buy something, then try to save money instead of asking our parents to buy for us. Isn't it amazing how we can buy the things that we really want out of our extra money? Okay, so everybody, let's give a round of applause for the kid. Alright, now we are on the next part, which is the Animal Encounter Show, where you will meet some of our wonderful animal friends up close and personal. And during the show, I will be asking volunteers from the audience to join me here on stage. All you have to do is to raise your hand and I'm going to pick the brave one. Okay, for first animal creature picture, can I have two kids volunteer? Yes, you added all with the white shirt. Come on, join me here. How about from this side? Anyone from this side? Yes, you added the one with the picture. Come on, join me here on stage also. Alright, careful, we're going down. There you go. Come on now to join me here. Okay, let's wait for the other one. Okay, I can you stay here on my left side while waiting for the other one. Okay, just make way for my volunteer. Thank you so much. Careful. Okay, join us here. There you go. Okay, join us here. Alright, and you stay here on my right side. Face the audience. There you go. Hello kids, happy afternoon. Ate, what is your name? Okay, how about you? What is your name? Okay, now kids, are you excited to meet our next animal? How about you? Are you excited? Yes, okay, but first, you need to wear something, okay? You have to please wear this on your head. Then face the audience, and you please wear this on your left hand. There you go. Okay, now kids, give me a thumbs up. Are you ready? Ready? How about you? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, since you're both ready, please welcome our amazing birds named Zoop and Ella. Where are you guys? There you are. Okay, I'm going to put your arm like this. We're going to put the bird on your arm. of your head. Do not move your head, okay? There you have it. Okay, so let's start with this one. So by the way, this is Ella, our Eclectospara, originated from Papua New Guinea. And don't you know that an Eclectospara has extreme sexual dimorphism, meaning male appearance are totally different from the female. Male Eclectospara has green feathers with yellow beak, while the female Eclectospara, just like Ella, has red feathers with black beak. And here on my left side, we have Zoo, our Philippine Scops owl. They are one of the biggest in the Scops family. And by the way, owls can rotate their neck up to 270 degrees without breaking blood vessels or tearing tendon. Okay, Ate, what can you say about Zoo? Thank you so much. And how about you? What can you say about Ella? Yes, simply raise your hand. Come on, join us here. Come on, join me here on stage. Alright, so while waiting for my volunteer for more updates and infos about Zootic Safari, you can visit our website at www.zoomanitypayment.com, or you can also like and follow our Facebook page, Zootic Safari. Come on, join me here. There you go. Hello, happy afternoon. Face the audience. What is your name? Okay, now are you ready to meet our next animal? Okay, but first, I think I have another one here. Okay, join us here also. Okay, hello, what is your name? Okay, now, okay, come here. All you have to do is to put your palms up like this. Okay, there you go. Now kids, tell me, are you ready? Yes! How about you, ready? Yes. Okay, since you're both ready, please welcome our reptilian friend named Bella. Okay, kids, whatever happened, please do not drop our animal friend, okay? So let's come on, please hold her. It's okay. It's okay. Don't be scared. We're gonna help you. Okay, one more time. There you have it. Okay, see? It's very friendly. Okay, so once again, this is Bella, our bearded dragon, originated from Australia. They got their name because of the tall spikes that can be found under their chin. And don't you know that their gender is based on chromosomes and environmental temperature? At high temperature, male bearded dragon undergoes gender reversal. And the twins, okay, now all you have to do is to put your palms up like this. Okay, now are you ready? You need to be 100% ready for this now. Once again, are you ready? Yes, okay, since you're ready, please welcome all the way from the serpent on you. And here is Billy. Just relax. And again, whatever happens, please do not drop our animal friends. Just relax, ma'am. There you go. Alright, so once again, this is Billy, our ball python. They can grow up to 5 feet long and can live up to 20 years in captivity. They got their name ball pythons because they love to go into a wall to protect their head with their bodies. And by the way, pythons are non-venomous, but they are constrictors. They make use of their powerful muscle to squeeze and overpower their prey. Now they're not moving. What can you say about Billy? Cute, really? This is your first time holding an animal like this? Yes? And I think it's a great experience for you, right? Only here in Zootic Safari. And with that, everyone, let's give a round of applause for Billy. And of course, my great volunteer, thank you so much, ma'am. We also have a volunteer from Zootic Safari. Okay, this time, hello po, happy afternoon. Sir, what is your name? Darren. Darren, alright. Okay, sir, who are you with today? Family, friends, special someone? you to appreciate their beauty, their intelligence, and the danger they face in their natural habitat. So on behalf of the Zubik Safari Management, we would like to remind you of your contribution to the environment. And that is to reduce, reuse, recycle. Maraming salamat po. See you on your next visit and enjoy your stay here. Alright, once again, thank you so much for watching the Zubik Safari's Wild Wonders. And again, for those who want to give donations for our animal friends, we have a donation box. Any amount is highly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching.
Dali, tayo sa ulo, dali. Oo. Dito sa ulo, dali. Oo. Dito na kami, dali. Dito sa ulo. Oh, kayo, Al. Ikaw kaya?
Linaw dito.
Ako nakita mo yung mga snake. Gusto makita yung snake? Came out of. Ikaw mo sa blue ko rin. Closing counter nila mo. Talaga? Wow, meron pa rin doon mahaba. Oh, big one, oh. Wow. Haba siya, haba. Let's go next. Ano pa dito, Mar?
Gagamba.
Wala mo spider? Do you like a spider? Wait, Kyle. Spider din. Kita mo, snake? Snake?
Albino siguro din to. Albino ba?
Are you again? Mar, ano yung zebra? Black na may white o white na may black?
Dalawa.
Hindi, ayan. Black na may white.
Hindi. Gusto dahil pa yung puti eh.
Albino siya. Asa yung zebra? Oh. Ganda naman ito. Oh.
Healthy body.
Bengal tiger ba yan? Siberian tiger. Siberian tiger. Itong dalawa. Okay. The rest is Bengal. Bengal. Hello, Bengal tiger. Baby, oh, tignan mo yung tiger, oh.
No? Yung hindi sila parang nakakulong talaga, no? Parang talos na nakawala.
Ang ganda. Ang isda. May isda. Ang laki. Yung alligator yan eh.
Alligator dyan. oh.
The group of blue po. Ba't po yung group of moises po? Okay, magkasama po sila para po sila dito. Okay, line number 2 na lang po.
Dito na?
Ay, sorry. Ganito na po. Ito po moises po. Bali magkasama po tayo in 1 jeepney po. Dalawang group po tayo. Bali tanong ko lang po, tatlong group po tayo sasakay in 1 jeepney. Willing to avail po ba tayo ng tiger feeding para po lumapit po si tiger sa sinasakyan natin jeepney. Kung mag-avail man po sila, may zookeeper pong sasama si
Tiger po mag-aabil dito sa Manila, mag-aabil po 125.
Blue.
So, interested po ba sila? Ay, number 2 na lang po. Mami, ako na lang po kung... Sige po, upo lang po muna sila sa line number.
Puro kakulitan yung alam mo. First row. Sa'yo first row?
Nag-drive na ba itong Yuki?
Ay, bali, kayo po pala yung anin sila. Dito po pala sila.
Ito po, apat lang po kayo.
Apat lang.
Dito lang po kayo. Ganyan po kayo sa amin ako. 1, 2, 3. Thumbs up po. Tiger pose po. Okay po. Excuse lang po. Excuse lang po sir. Tayo naman po sir. 1, 2, 3, smile. Thumbs up po.
Alligator.
Tiger pose po. Okay po. Thank you.
Ano? Ano? Oo.
Ano lalapit?
Ulo. May mga tiger dito. Attack nila tayo. Attack. Attack tayo ng tiger.
Walang bawang tiger dito lang ako.
Baby, look at that. That's a tiger, oh. Dito ka tatabakan, oh. Kasi busog lagi.
Baka nire-rotation naman sila dito.
Ibuto na po kung sa likod natin. Pero kung sa likod natin, ayos mo ka ba? Nalabakan po ako ng isa. Okay?
Tiger!
Sir, first lang po sir, tingin po kayo sa camera sir. Picture lang po kayo kasama tayo.
Oh, mahal, picture na tayo. Kasama tiger.
Baby, hello po!
Baby, tingin ka rin, baby.
Hello! Saba po? Ah, thank you.
Baby, tiger, oh.
Sir, excuse lang po sir. Ma'am, second row naman po. Sir, second row po sir, labit po kayo konti sir. Sir, excuse lang. Labit po kayo sir. Tiger po, lapit po si Tiger. Good Christmas. Ate! Yan. Sa baba. Okay po, thank you.
Hal, selfie tayo, kaya sa tiger.
Meron sa likod. Meron.
Ayaw mo? Video dito.
Pag ganun.
Kasi nandun na sa likod. Kami pag dumapit na.
Excuse lang po. Ang third row po, tingin po sa camera, ma'am. Sama po. Okay, thank you. Balik mo na dito. Balik mo dito.
Dude, the tiger.
Hanggang lang ako sa nakakabigay sa show.
Dito, dali.
Well, dali, Sky. Dito, Sky.
Dito ka, dali. Hello. Nice. Ayun na, lawas tiger, dali sila.
Hindi pala pwede si Baby to.
Galing tiger, galing. Bye tiger. Hala.
Mataba siya, no? Lagi na
Tawag na lang kaldero.
Ay pa yung may tiger pa dala, baby. Oh.
Ba't di sila lumalabas?
Oh, ano natin, parang cage na.
Usap na yun, nakaisang ano na eh.
Ayun na, may lalapit tiger, oh.
Tiger, hello.
Tiger, oh. Wala! Oh! Wow!
Baby, dito sa taas.
Ay, doon. Ayun na, tiger, oh.
Sa taas yung tiger.
Ay, ang galing!
Babay ka na pala sa tiger.
Kaya bakit po walang
Si Lulay nakakakain.
Ha?
Yung lagi nakakakain. Swerte nila pag dito sila natin, no?
May foods.
Saka ano ay parang maayos naman. Tirahan nila sa loob. Hindi parang kulong talaga sila.
Tired ka na, tired?
Parang hindi naman sila nang ano.
Train kasi yan mga yun.
Ano rin ang daanan nila dito. Parang Batangas.
Ito naman sa Batangas.
Oo, di ba? Hindi nakakaligtas na ako dito. Okay po, sa lip set po yung page ko ng mga tiger. Station po ang release po ng mga tiger. May tiger po dyan. Yan po yung number 7 po sa map. Tiger
Yung ba tayo pumasok ko yun?
Hindi ko alam. Yan yata ako. Oo, kasi baon eh.
Hindi sila dito pwede magpasalong.
Yun na, tiger.
Push na?
Buti dito, hindi ka mo lumalabas, no?
Oo.
Yung salisihan nila yung jeep fight.
Eh, pag ano, no? Pag naisipan nila magwelgahal, no?
Pag
Albino.
Pali Tiger, ulit, Pali Tiger. Bye Tiger. Tiyo. Ito ang tiger sa mga to, bro. Bengal din.
Ito mas malaki.
Matalaki nito.
Antiseptic pala yung ano nila nakita.
Ano yun? Ano yun ba? Ano yun?
Ikaw water Mother's Day. Wala naman dito.
Hindi mo pagkita yung uli niya.
Ano pwede ba itong baby?
Ang malapit sa pista mo.
Battleship niya? Magamar.
Yo.
Hindi na, para matry mo. Gamit ko na, sinek ko yung kanto ng sisiwan. Go na ako sa kuna. Hindi ko na yung galawin muna. Ano, pumatalsik? Tomar! Tapos na ako. Tara.
Ayoko.
Sige. Kaya mo na. Busin mo na. Ayoko na. Babarili mo lang yun. Normal lang yun. Sige na. Huwag na matawag. Sige. Wala nang mag-judge siya. Hindi mo tangahan eh. Crosser mo. Yan. May crosser dyan.
hindi, kaya pala tawag-tawag na ni Boy. Kasi din sa mga... Ayun, dami din mo.
Mal, pwede tayong pakain? Ha? 100 lang? Kaya ko na to. Feed natin crocodile, baby.
Ba't yung nandun di gumagalaw sila?
Gumagalo lang yung uli yun.
Paano pa nalaglag ka din?
Wala, patay ka na talaga.
Paano kayo mo?
Mga dalawa siguro. Active kapag nakakita sila ng mga ano, pagkain.
Kaya nga buhay. Kaya kailangan nga ano siya, masampa. Para makita. Nakita niya ba?
Nakikita niyo yun dito.
Dito na!
Pablo, dali, ate yun. Ah! Ulit!
Ilapit mo konti, Hal.
Nag-aabang ka, ha? Bangers, oh! Bangers!
Ibaba taas mo, Hal.
Nag-growl yung isa.
Hello, cat! Kunti lang sila, kunti. Hungry sila? Let's go, babay ka na sa mga cat.
Bye-bye. Bye, cat. See you.
See you, cats.
Tiger.
Tiger ba doon?
Bye-bye, cat. Tiger.
Tiger.
Look, look.
Pusa yan?
Green, Alice, green, Alice, green, Alice, green, Alice, green, green, Alice, again, green, Alice. Look, look, look.
What's that? That's a fowl.
Four.
Yes, that's a fowl. Ayun, may owl doon, baby, sa taas, oh. Ayun, sa taas. Kita mo? Owl, ayun yung owl. There. Makita mo? Ayun siya. So, yung mga owl, sleeping sila pag day. Then, awake sila pag night. Ito, black palm cockatoo. Show, ganito. Hello, cockatoo. Cockatoo, cockatoo. Kita mo siya? Kababi ko na sa kanya. Ito mga chicken naman yan. Ito mga bird pa. Bird, hello. Hello bird. Ito may bird. Yun o, white bird oh. Gusto mo mag-walk ka? Bike lang? Okay. Tayo. Ito mga people, Indian people. Hello. Anong color niya? Ganda siya, ganda?
Aba.
Ano sabi nila? Ang laki nun, Blay, oh. Yun ang big, oh. Yung mga color brown dun, oh, big. Kita mo sila. Babay ka na sa kanila.
Bye-bye. Dito. Dito, white. Dito.
Ganun. Pangit. Oh, pangit daw. Pangit.
This is
These are the dove.
the
Yes. Doves. But there's also chicken here.
Mama.
Ayun, oh. Ano sabi niya? Ganun.
Daddy, daddy.
Dami na lang, dami.
Daddy.
Ano sabi niya?
Daddy.
Beep, beep. Oh, ang laki. What's that?
Mingo. Mingo yan, mingo.
Goose. That's a goose. Yes, goose.
Ita.
Hmm?
Ita.
Eat siya?
Apo.
Hello ka sa kanila. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hey, lapit siya sa'yo. Huwag mo hawakan. Tutukain ka niyan. Ano name nila? Ito. Hello. Hello. Babi ka na sa kanya, Blue.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Gis.
Look, may kayo.
Galit siya. Tapos hindi ka raw nagbabay sa kanya.
Bye-bye.
Ito, meron pa rito. Birds. Uy, ganun. Hello. Ayun, baby, oh. What's that? That's a deer.
Dear?
Yes, deer. Hello, deer. Hello, deer. Ah. Wait, ostrich, baby. Can you see that? The ostrich? Here. Can you see the ostrich or no?
What's this?
Hello, ostrich. Hello. Hello, ostrich. Oh. Kita mo sila? Ha? Kita mo sila? Hello. Hello. Tuka sila, tuka. Ang laki nila, baby. Ang laki.
Sana. Sana dalawa.
Ito. Gusto mo baba ka?
No.
Bike ka lang? Okay. Hindi mo makita yung ostrich.
Bye-bye.
Ito makikita mo sila siguro dito. Oh. These are the donkeys. Para silang horse pero small. Donkeys. Ayun yung ano, ostrich, baby, oh. Ayun, nakita mo? Ostrich, ayun sa kabila. Then these are the donkeys. Hello, what's a donkey?
Yeah. Hello. Hello, monkey.
No, it's donkey, not monkey. They are the donkeys, okay? Babay ka na sa donkeys.
No, monkey. Bird dito.
Ito, deer. And brown deer. Hello, brown deer. Ito sa left side, ayun, brown deer. Ay, monkey! The monkey! Hey, monkey, oh, nakita mo? Ito sa left side, baby, oh. Ayun. Kita mo?
Yan, monkey.
Hello, monkey! Monkey!
Ita eat
Eat siya ng
and grass.
banana yan.
Banana.
Yes, banana yan. Eat siya banana. Ito sila, meron pa sa taas, oh. Hello, monkey! Ano sabi ng monkey? Alas ko na. Ando sila, ayaw na nila pumunta rito, ayaw na nila makita yung mga animals. Tired sila, tired. Ito, baby, oh, meron dito. Ayun, oh. Bearcat. Ito yung kanina, yung bearcat, oh. Ayun, bearcat, oh. Kita mo? Ayun, sa taas, oh. Yan yung kanina, nasa palabas. Babay ka na.
Bye-bye.
Oh,
Where's your mommy?
andun. Ayun, tired sila, tired. They don't want to go here. Hey, wow, what's that?
Monkey.
This one is a monkey. Look, monkey. Monkey! Ayun, leopard dun, oh. Come, dali. Hirap, hirap. Ah. Baby, may pig dun, oh. There, pig. Kita mo yun, black pig. Boar. You know. Kita mo, ayun, oh. Ayun, oh, pig. Let's go, let's go.
Look, pig.
Yeah. That's a pig.
Oink, oink.
Oink, oink ba yan? Sabi niya?
Look, at the gorilla.
That's a gorilla.
Dami alamon. Dami alamon.
Dami animals. Ito, oh. Ayun, oh. Hello. Leopard, Ben? Leopard.
Tiger on tiger.
No, that's a leopard, baby.
Tiger on tiger.
Leopard yan. Different sila from the tiger. A leopard or jaguar, I don't know, baby. Let's go. Babay ka na dyan sa kanila.
But they doing this one.
Wow, horse.
Yay!
Ano sabi ng horse?
Yay! Yun na yun.
Ney ba yun, Ney?
Ako na yun.
Hello. Ayun, oh, tingin sila sa'yo. Oh. Ganda, oh. Eat sila ng grass.
Apa? Mangga, mangga.
Bangga ka sa tree.
Ano umirabila? Where's your mommy?
Andun sa ano? Sa may car. Eto. Cattle? These are the cattle, baby.
Cowboy?
Yes, cattle. Ayun, oh. They are like a cow. Moo! 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 Oh, bangga.
Where's your mommy?
In the car.
Daddy lang, daddy.
Yes. Hey, birds. No birds. Uy, dami. Ay, turquoise, baby. Tortoise. Look. Kita mo?
Totoy yan, totoy.
Yes, tortoise.
Totoy.
They're like turtle but they're just in lands.
Totoy.
Laki. Meron pa isa dun. Oh. Siya, babay ka sa tortoise.
Bye-bye.
Babay tortoise. What's your favorite animal so far?
Naman lang totoy lang, totoy.
Turtle?
Where's your mommy?
In the car.
Where's your mommy?
In the car. We're going there na. Hey, hello. Horse, oh. Donkey.
Ang dami na horse.
Daming horse dito na. These are the birds again. Okay, labas na tayo. Thank you so much. Bye-bye po. Bye-bye ka na sa kanila. Huh?